Hey, so today we're going to be doing a ruined eye look, and I'm going to first start by putting tissue paper over my eye with Scotch tape. When that's done, I'm going to take my liquid latex, which I got from Party City, along with a sponge, and just make sure the edges are stuck down really well. I'm then going to take cotton, which I got from the dollar store, and latex glue it down all around the tissue paper, making for a more 3D effect. And then just going to rip it up and make it look stringy, like what I imagine a bad eye injury would be. I'm going to take my foundation. I use Urban Decay Naked Foundation in the shade 0.5 because I'm super pale. And I'm going to put that all down on the cotton and my face as well, just to blend everything together. I'm then going to take Urban Decay's Electric palette, and we're going to start off with the shade Thrash, which is a yellow color. Then I'm going to go in with an orangey red in the shade Slow Burn. It really helps to blend in with my skin, along with making it look more infected in the finished product. Then I go in with a smaller brush with the same color. I do use some of the shade Jilted as well, just because it's a nice purple tone. If you use it really lightly, it looks like bruising, so I like it for that. Then I go in with browns in the Power of Makeup palette, and I use the shades Painkiller, Makeup and Chill, and Wanted, which are a light brown, dark brown, and black, and right now I'm focusing on the lighter browns, and then I'll get into darker, and then eventually black. Right now I've started to add the darker tones. And now I start going in with black. I really like using black eyeshadow in things like this, because I feel that it adds a lot of dimension and it kind of gives it a burned effect, which I really like. I'm then going back in with more of the shade Slow Burn, just to add more of an infected color. make it look more inflamed. I'm gonna use my homemade fake blood now, which I will put a link in the description on how you guys can make it too if you want. It is really sticky though, so I would recommend not wearing your favorite shirt when you put it on your face. And I'm gonna put it all over my eye area just to make the wound look all nice and bloody, just how we want a wound to look. And take my dollar store spray blood, which actually works really well, and just spray it all over the wound area to make it look splattered and gross. And with that, we are done our ruined eye.